Hey, boys. Bubs. 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 Come here. What do you want? What do you want, bub? Huh?
Hey guys, what's up? Dark Owl here. So today I'm actually going to get some things together. We're going to go for a quick ride. It's actually still pretty cold out. We had 2 days that were 80s. One of the days was windy, so it kind of sucked. Couldn't really ride. But here we are, back down into some colder temps. I'm just going to grab a few things, a couple of extra batteries, and I actually have an idea. Let's see here. For a mount on my helmet, because, well, this thing didn't hold too well, basically because of the curves of my helmet, so it kind of wore out. But I know I have other parts somewhere. At least I thought I did. Excuse the messy garage. So I want to try, let's see if we can do this. I'm gonna take this thing off, phone mount. Just temporary. I will be buying a pretty cool GoPro mount that I think is similar to what I'm gonna use this for, actually. All right. So we're going to basically change this. How should I do this? I don't know if this is gonna poke out and hit my mouth or not. What I want to do is I'm gonna have to move this piece, mount the GoPro on the front of the helmet, if possible. Now, what I was going to say is I do plan on purchasing a mount that is actually kind of like this. It's a spring-loaded clamp, and you just clamp it on the front, and then you have the GoPro mount. You can get it in several different colors. It's pretty sweet, but it's like 50 bucks, so I've been kind of lazy and haven't bought it yet. Let's see what it looks like, if I can. So Thursday, today's Tuesday, Thursday in a couple of days, I've got another bike coming. I know I said I wouldn't do it, but I actually ordered another Chinese bike. It's a 200cc CVT crotch rocket style. It's like a ninja-ish type clone. Looks pretty cool. It's not for me, it's actually for my wife. So we went and picked up some shoes, and these are pretty sick. I customized them for her. Let's see if we can get a better view of these bad boys. So yeah, they look pretty sick. Pretty sick. And we bought her a white helmet, and I customized it for her. So yeah, just to match. It's pretty dope. Pretty sick helmet. I gotta clean up some overspray in here because the bags that I put in here to actually make sure that nothing else got paint on it, they shifted a little bit. Not a big deal. Get a little paint thinner and wipe off some of that paint and get it all cleaned up. I'm not too worried about it right now just because I have to do another couple clear coat passes on this to ensure that it doesn't all come off. So she's pretty stoked. She wants to start riding on her own with me. We got her some pink gloves too. Pretty sick. Got some riding shoes, and she's got some more gear coming on the way. Pretty stoked for that. We will be doing an unboxing video of that Thursday, so she'll be with me, and yeah, it'll be pretty sweet. All right, so I'm gonna take this off, I'm gonna put on the helmet, and then we're gonna get geared up and go, hopefully. Here we go. I mean, it works. I should have like half a tank. Oh my God, I don't. There's no way. That's crazy. Okay, this is 2. That's fine. Hopefully the wind isn't too bad. I mean, it's not windy today, so that's good. way, there's a hawk over there. That's pretty sick. He's chilling on that tube thing. I'll try to zoom in, but he's just hanging out. It's a big hawk right there. That sounds funny. A big hawk. A big hawk. So yeah, tomorrow, guys. Not tomorrow, sorry. Thursday, in a couple of days, 2 days, my wife will be getting her bike. It's a CVT, kind of like a Honda Ruckus. It's a 200cc, so it's like 50cc more than my Chinese Ruckus Flow. So guys, ignore the fact that I'm talking to myself in this video. Just enjoy the video. Basically, the external mic was not completely hooked up, or it wasn't hooked up. So yeah, makeshift camera setup. Can't really hear anything other than the wind noise. I'll get that fixed in the next video. I am talking about my wife getting her new bike on Thursday. It's a 200cc CVT, so it's an automatic. All she's got to do is twist the throttle and go. I'm basically just talking about how, for starters, for her specifically, this will be a perfect bike, mainly because of just you got to understand, she's never been on a bike. She's not really comfortable with bikes, so this is an awesome start for her. I know most of you guys would probably say a 300cc or maybe like an R3 or something like that would be perfect, but for her, this is perfect for now. I'm just stoked that she's getting on the road with me. So yeah, just enjoy the video. I'm basically saying what I just told you. It's unfortunate that the microphone didn't really work and is not picking it up. So yeah, enjoy the rest of the video. It's just me riding around, and I guess enjoy the view. So right here, I'm mentioning or talking about my buddy Chris. You guys have probably seen him in the other videos. He was in a riding video with me and our buddy Cameron, and yeah, he had the Buell. I'm actually talking about him and his wife. They actually picked up her a bike, I want to say last month. So she actually got a 650 Ninja. It's blue, pretty sick. So they will be riding, and hopefully me and my wife will be riding. So it'll be some pretty sweet footage and sick videos to come with them as well. God, I love this thing. So I don't have anything done to the exhaust in terms of crazy big modifications. I do have the 6-hole mod. I'm talking about the exhaust mod that you can do to the MT-07 FZ07. I know a lot of the MT-07 guys do it. I did it because I didn't feel like purchasing a $1,000 exhaust right off the bat, since I did just buy this bike. So if you want, up and you ride it some. So what you can do is the 6-hole mod. I don't know what else to call it. Essentially, you just drill 3 holes on top and 3 holes on bottom of the big muffler right underneath the frame of the bike, where the exhaust pipe is coming out into the shroud. But yeah, that's what I'm talking about doing. It's a good option if you want some good rumble or a deep tone to your bike without actually spending an additional money on, you know, any additional money on a new exhaust. So that's what I'm talking about here. Despite it looking really warm in this video, I'm mentioning how cold it is. We had a few days that was like 80 degrees. It was pretty windy though. Got a nice night ride in on one of those nights. It was amazing. It just sucks because, like I said, in this video, it is spring. I mean, we are having spring now. It looks really warm. We got the green grass, super blue sky, flowers on the, trees and everything, and it is in the 40s. It's really cold, barely reaching 50 today. And right there it says it's 48 out, 48 degrees. It was a cold little ride, which is another reason why I didn't go too far or get a huge ride in, because of the temperature. But normally it's just my hands that start freezing. No matter what I do, it's always just my hands. It just looks so warm looking at the playback on this, and I just wish it was. Hopefully we're gonna get some good warm weather coming quick, and hopefully it stays that way so I can get some more riding content for you guys.
Freaking freezing again. I mean, it looks, like just watching this video with all the trees blooming, and it looks like spring. Yeah, it's a little windy. It's definitely a little windy. But you would think it was nice and warm. I think I do like riding with my clear visor during the day.
Whoop, whoop. That's the sound of the police. Whoop.
I guess we'll slow down a little bit. Especially that downshifting. Oh man, for being stock, that's what this turns. And having just those 6 holes drilled in it opens up the exhaust so well, and it sounds so good to me. So again, if you want an exhaust but you don't want to buy anything, and you don't want to hack it apart, and you don't really want to, or you can't weld or have a means to like modify it or anything, that's another good option. Real quick though, that is another good option in terms of if you want an exhaust and you have the means to modify it. That's kind of cool. I've seen people do that. But the point I was going to make is, all right guys, I think that's going to be it for this little video. Mainly just wanted to test out this clamp and see how it fares, especially for being makeshift. So I probably won't use this one specifically. I need to go ahead and just order the clamp that I want to get, so that way I can actually do a lot better videos and just a lot more content riding. This weather freaking sucks. I mean, it looks beautiful out. It's really nice looking, but it's cold. But it's like 40 something. It's ridiculous. So I didn't want to ride too much just because I don't have enough gas and I need to get some, and just because it's so damn cold out. 2 days from now, see, it was like Thursday, I'm gonna have a vlog. Then also my wife's bike will be in. We'll make a video on that, and I'm pretty stoked. Never said I remember saying that I wasn't gonna buy another Chinese clone or Chinese bike again, but you know what, again, like I said, perfect beginner bike for somebody who's never ridden in their entire life, or or never even, they never dreamed of riding. So I think it's a perfect start, and I can't wait. I'm actually pretty excited for her, and I kind of want to ride it too. Pretty stoked to see what it looks like. So yeah, my wife will be riding with me. Chris's wife will be riding with him. So yeah, hopefully this summer we can get some vlogs in with us all riding together. It'd be pretty sick. More content to come, guys. Stay tuned, please. If you like what you saw, obviously give me a thumbs up. Don't have to. Feel free to subscribe. Again, don't have to. But yeah, thanks for watching the video, guys. You know what to do. Stay safe, ride safe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.